If you don't like talking but still want extra cash, try these 3 faceless hustles. No camera, no problem. Let's get into it. First, Instagram theme pages. Pick a niche, post a few times a day, and sell Notion templates or earn from Reels views. Second, Pinterest automation. Use Canva and ChatGPT to design pins, then link to your digital products. Third, faceless YouTube shorts. AI voice, stock video, trending audio, monetize fast. You don't need followers, just strategy. Grab my free Faceless Hustle Vault in bio.